So a quick little project. I'm going to try to convert this wheelbarrow into a two-wheel wheelbarrow. I got 2 flat free tires from Harbor Freight. They're I think $24 a piece. My goal is to see if I can use the pieces that I already have. We'll see from there. Alright, we got our flipped over upside down here. So we're gonna use these brackets here. I think I've got a piece of 5/8 threaded rod. It's not ideal, but I need this for today. So we are going, and I have all the tools I need for that. So I might switch that out to a steel, like a smooth steel rod. So first off, we're gonna get this tire off, and then we're gonna go from there. Looks like these are 1/2 inch. Oh, I see a problem already. It's okay. Okay. Here we're going to have to put a little spacers. Alright, we got this wheel on. Have a locking nut over here. Gonna cut this rod down. Well, I might have fried my camera. Alright, thank goodness I have screen protectors because I've fried them. I have a oversized nut and 2 washers as spacers to give clearance for the wheel and the cross beams. And then I have, not on this side, but I'll put a locking, I have a locking nut there. So, and then this cross beam here I'm going to cut out and shorten this distance. Alright, I had to take the axle off. I got that front support fitted around here. I had to take the axle off to have a little bit more play with these beams. And we cut off about 2.5 to 3 inches. So we're going to put the axle back on and then put our last wheel on. Here we go. Okay. A little bit of an issue. We gotta, this little bracket we gotta move over. These are all just carriage bolts. These are all the factory bolts and nuts. I know these bolts and washers can get expensive, but you can be creative and make your own little spacers too. Give us a little bit more clearance. I don't know how squatty these will be. Put our lock nut on. All right. So there we go. Converted one wheelbarrow into a 2-wheel. Let's see how she goes. All right. Looks like it's balanced pretty well. See how it looks from the front. Spacing on the wheels looks pretty good. Let's go haul some mulch with it. Did awesome. It's not new, just modified. But fits perfectly. Worked great. Worked perfect. Yeah, fits in between my rows really nicely. I could have shortened this up even more for dumping, but man, for a quick little modification, it works really well. So thanks for watching.